Hey guys, what's up? It's Vanessa. So it is Wednesday, January 3rd, and that's the first day back to school for me. I'm just not ready. So it's like 7:14. My friend Suyeon, she was in yesterday's vlog, is gonna be carpool, so we'll be here in about like 10 or so minutes. But I don't think we'll have school tomorrow because the wind chill is supposed to be really low, so
We probably, I don't know.
but it's supposed to be like negative 18 when kids are being picked up on the bus. So filming now.
It's very cold and don't know to go to school. So, yeah.
Here's what's up. So it is 1:52. We usually get out at 2:30, but today we got at 1:30. It's like an early dismissal day. It is like 10 degrees. I'm freezing cold. This is honestly so funny to like look back at my old videos. I filmed in Never Have I Ever and I never posted it. Wow, Vanessa. Okay, my outro low was like lit. Like look at it. Like dang, like this is good. Okay, I'm literally about to cry. I just got the news. We don't have school tomorrow. I really just didn't want to go. Like I was just like, don't want to go to school. Okay guys, look how cute my room is right now. Yes.
Filming. Is this going in your vlog?
Yeah.
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel, link down below.
It will be linked.
It will.
Just set my tripod down.
Okay, you might want to film this part.
Yeah. Well, that was something that just fell. Okay guys, I just uploaded a video. Sister does my makeup. Go check it out. Link will be in the description. You should definitely go check it out. This was a really fun video to film with my sister Amanda. Okay, so I want to show you guys my favorite part of the video. Motion video. Okay guys, so it's 8:30ish and we are about to head out to the movie. This vlog is so rocky, it's freezing cold. Hey guys, so I'm sorry I realized I never really vlogged today, but right now we are on our way to Bath & Body, not a shocker. I wanted to get more wax melts because they only got one, so I want to like stock up on them, you know? And yeah, so today basically just like chill day. I binge watched a show called The Good Place. It's really good. You guys should watch it. So we're in Bath & Body right now and I'm picking up some wax melts. They're half off, so they're only like $2, which is a pretty good deal. So I'm going to pick out, I think, 2 of these. The first one that I found is this like eucalyptus one. I'm going to pick out another one. So right now we are at a Thai restaurant and I'm going to get some fried rice. So this is my fried rice. It looks really, really good. And then there's a side of yum yum sauce. And then my dad got some sushi. So right now we are bowling. I've been bowling for a long time, so I'm probably going to be really bad. Oh, spare!
Yo, Vanessa.
My score is 22 right now. Oh my god. Yeah, I got 2 back-to-back spares!
Look at the flick of their wrist.
Oh my god, it's gonna strike! I just won 115 to 97. What? Sorry, the lighting's really weird. Right now we're playing a championship game. Right now I'm currently losing 69 to 47. So I'm probably gonna lose, but we'll see. So right now it's 3:19 and we are just out shopping and we're at Bed Bath & Beyond right now. Who's gonna pay $100 for pillow and like, it's so hard, like I don't like that, it's so hard, I don't like that. If I had like a beach house, this would be my bed. I really like those pillows, those are cute, like the tiny ones, really cute. So I just made some slime for the video that I've been filming today. So if you guys were wondering, the video that I'm filming today is things to do on a snow day, or just kind of like things to do like on a winter day or like a no school day. Since if you guys didn't know I had no school today, I was like inspired to do this video. This is a slime. Little sneak peek. This is the one of the things that like is in my video making slime. So I just finished filming my video, so I think I'm actually gonna end the vlog because I really need to edit that video and I really want to post this vlog pretty fast. So I'll just have that done because I have to go to school tomorrow. So probably should post it now. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Give this vlog a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions. I'm always open to hear yours. And turn the bell if you want to get notified every time I post a video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.